Understanding idioms. Cold as a dog's nose. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting idiom, cold as a dog's nose. Idioms are a crucial part of learning English, as they enrich your vocabulary and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and find out what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning, which is often different from its literal meaning. Idioms are used widely in everyday English and offer a glimpse into the cultural aspects and historical background of the language. They make the conversation more colorful and expressive. Understanding idioms is key to mastering the English language because they can express complex ideas in a few words. Now, let's focus on our idiom of the day, cold as a dog's nose. At first glance, this phrase might seem a bit strange. However, it's actually a descriptive way of saying that something is very cold to the touch. This idiom draws its inspiration from the fact that a dog's nose is naturally cool and moist. It's not used to describe the weather or temperature in general, but rather to emphasize the coldness of specific objects or surfaces. Understanding the idiom is one thing, but using it correctly in conversation is another. Here are a few examples to help you grasp how to incorporate cold as a dog's nose into your English. Describing objects. The marble floor felt as cold as a dog's nose this morning. Expressive storytelling. When I grabbed the ice cream, it was cold as a dog's nose, sending shivers down my spine. Comparative expressions. The water in the lake was as cold as a dog's nose, making it hard to take the first step in. Remember, idioms like this one are more about conveying a feeling or an impression rather than serving as precise measurements of temperature. To truly get comfortable with using cold as a dog's nose, try creating your own sentences or even a short story using this idiom. Practice using it in different contexts and with various subjects to enhance your understanding and retention. Additionally, listening for idioms in movies, TV shows, and conversations can help reinforce their meanings and uses. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson on the idiom, cold as a dog's nose. Idioms like these add flavor to the language and can make your conversations more engaging and authentic. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is exposure and practice, so don't hesitate to use them whenever you get the chance. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful lessons on English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.